Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to use Google Authenticator app. Firstly, log into your Google account and go for security settings after you get the app from Google Play Store or App Store. Navigate to security and sign in, then select two-steps verification. Scroll down and choose Authenticator app as your preferred verification method. Select your phone type and open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Tap the plus button to add an account and scan the barcode. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your Google account settings page. This will instantly sync your account with Google Authenticator, and Google will send a 16-digit code to your email. Enter the code manually into the app, and ensure time-based is toggled on for accurate code generation. Each time you log into your Google account or any account that you add on the Google Authenticator, you'll be asked for 6-digit code. Open the Google Authenticator app to get the latest randomized code and then enter it in the login prompt to complete. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.